So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna straighten those out. And then I actually gotta go help Trey, the guy that gave me all the logs, that did all the work on my pad site. I have to go help him install a septic system. So it's a dirty job. Somebody's gotta do it. It's probably all I'm gonna get done. I didn't make it very far. Still have this last, I don't know, 8 feet or so left to do. 6 feet, whatever, left to do. So I'm gonna climb down and go help Trey install a septic, and then, but that's it. That's all I got. That little 2x4 down there, and there's another one on the other side. Yep, using ratchet straps because they're just all sorts of waviness. But they're straightening it up pretty nice. Good morning. Yep, good morning. Week 2, day 2. It's been 3 days since day 1 because I was helping Trey with a septic system that didn't go very well. Because when he started digging the hole for the tank, he hit a spring. How do you know that? You can't plan for that. So that race was on. We are back and we are trying to straighten up these rafters and make sure everything and walls are level and all that fun stuff. So this building is 14 by 22. It's kind of an odd size. So then you keep talking about it. It's like we should have made it 16 feet by 24. And lumber wise it would have worked out. And then we got thinking, I was like, she said, well, if you remember, this actually wasn't part of the original plan. And she's right, it wasn't part of the original plan. Totally forgot about it. So there's our wellhead right there. And all we did was ask Trey, like, hey, can you just make a little pad site around it, like 10 by 12 or something like that, that we could, you know, put our water softener in and stuff like that. And so then, I remember this now, it's actually kind of funny. He made such a nice pad site. Like, we're like, wow, that was bigger than what we expected. We're like, hey, can you just stretch this out a little bit more? One thing led to another, and he eventually ran out of good red clay, which is why we're left with this weird 14 by 22 structure. That's essentially a single car garage, but there you go. Totally forgot about it. Still, Shelly reminded me that's what this is, or how it became about. Became about? How it came about. It's probably a little better. Fat guy in between rafters. Shelly, you shouldn't laugh at that. It's really loud. Kind of like that rooster down there. Whatever. Told ya. Blocking's done. And no, just so you know, those cross ties, yeah, they go every which way. They're not level. There was no rhyme or reason to putting them at a specific height. I just wanted them there. So that's why they look as lovely as they do. Don't judge me. You'll never see it from the air. Once we get decking on it. Oh. Let's get old Massey going. Week 2, day 3. Blocking's done. Braces are coming off. High performance pink stuff is going up. It's a pink stuff day, which means it's manual hammering day. Shall we cut this with a skill saw?
try it.
We should
It
try
might be a terrible mistake.
This could be a very bad mistake.
We
Or
should
it could
try
be
it.
genius. I say genius.
I think you should wear a respirator when you do it, but yeah. Yeah. Would you like a bit of construction trivia?
I would love some construction trivia.
So when we were building the house in Cleburne, I think I was in middle school, 6th, 7th grade, somewhere in there. We put in Owens Corning rolled insulation. And they had this thing going on where if you send in so many UPC symbols, you got, I think it was 150 or something like that. They'd send you a free Polaroid camera.
Did you get one?
Yes, I did.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You got a free Polaroid camera?
I sure did.
So I needed this little filler piece to put in where the plumbing's coming up. Somewhere right next to that door. Just to give something to, not necessarily nail to, but just kind of put in its place and prevent small animals from coming in it. Anyway, so I ripped it down on the chop saw there. And now let's go see if it fits. And then I'll just kind of screw it into place. Something like so. Ooh, good tight fit. Voila. That's a stretch for a big man. That gable end wall's done. I got that strip up there I gotta do. 5.5, right?
5.5.
5.5. And then this gable wall is done. There's Tucker. He's just chilling. We got bugs. Look at that. That is not a roach. That's, get out. That's a longhorn beetle. And they eat pine. Pine! They're coming to eat my garage. One final touch. Billy bug.
I love it.
Oh.